This is an energy conservation lecture in which energy conservation in electric utility we talk about this and electrical utilities such as pump, compressors, air conditioning. If we talk about the pump is used for increasing the fluid pressure. Its working principle we can divide in three parts: suction, first it suck the fluid, then compress it or work on the fluid, then deliver it at the high pressure. Classification of pump, it can be classified into two parts: positive displacement pump and dynamic pressure pump. Here pressure of the fluid is increased with the help of displacement. Displacement is positive, means in one direction. Displacement may be either in reciprocating nature or in rotary in nature. So this is the further classification of the pump: reciprocating pump and rotary pump. Dynamic pressure pump, in this type of pump, kinetic energy is utilized for increasing the pressure of the fluid. It can be increased by centrifugal action or by propelling action. So it is further classified as centrifugal pump and propeller pump. Here it is the reciprocating pump, in which the working of reciprocating pump is based on the reciprocating action of piston. It reciprocate and increase the pressure of fluid. First of all, crank rotate and attached crank connecting rod oscillate. Because of that oscillation, reciprocating action of piston occur, and when it move in this direction, then it suck the it decreases the pressure in this side and because of that this valve is closed and this valve is opened. So suction of fluid take place and fluid come in this portion. When crank rotate further, then the connecting rod pushes the piston in this portion, and because of that the pressure of this fluid is increases. Because of that, suction valve is closed and delivery valve is opened, and fluid is delivered at high pressure. This is the working of reciprocating pump. This is the suction head and this is the delivery head. Centrifugal pump, this is the eye of centrifugal pump. This pump is work on the principle of centrifugal force. By the action of centrifugal force, when the fluid is come and it increases the pressure through the centrifugal action. In this side, fluid is sucked. This is the eye of impeller, and then there is impeller. It consists impeller vanes, and it rotates with the help of motor. Because of that, fluid pressure increases through the kinetic energy. Then it come outside the diffuser, where it has the guide vanes. It only guided the fluid motion. Fluid pressure is also increased after impeller through the volute shaping of the centrifugal pump. It can be seen that here it is the less area, as the fluid move forward, the area is increases. Because of that, pressure is increased. In this way, centrifugal pump work. Propeller pump, it is also known as noodle pump. So in this pump, this rod is rotated with the help of motor. Because of that, propeller move. Because of movement of propeller, fluid is sucked and its kinetic energy converted into the fluid pressure energy. The delivered fluid has high pressure. Because of that, it can be delivered at required place.